Hi, welcome to 3LD. Today we have a 2017 Ford Expedition blowing hot air in the Texas summer. So we're going to recharge the coolant in the air conditioner. What you need for the job today is a can of R134A refrigerant and a pressure gauge like this. I'll put the links in the show notes below. Please like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you new content.
All right, so first we're going to hook up the pressure gauge. The bigger pipe is the low pressure pipe. That's the one we want to hook up to. The smaller pipe is the high pressure. They flow back here into the firewall, run through the expansion valve, and that expanding of the gas is where you get the cooling from. And down here and by the fan is your compressor. So we want to see how much pressure we have on the low pressure side. So we just pull this cap off. Don't lose that. I think mine has a little L on it. And then these are pretty simple. You pull it up and you can snap it in there. Just kind of like filling up a bike tire. And you'll see without the engine running, it's probably about 120. So I'm going to start the engine up and equalize. We want to pressurize the high pressure side, take the pressure off the low pressure side. So when we start the engine up, you'll see this side dropping down quite a bit. Now we're in the car. We're just going to start it up like normal and get the air conditioning going full blast. So I'm going to have max AC, leave the door up. So you can see the pressure valve already dropping. It was in the red, now it's in the green. And as the condenser keeps running, the compressor keeps running, that level keeps dropping lower and lower. And that it eventually, once it runs for a minute here, we'll get down into the white, which means we need to add some more of the R134A coolant. So now you can see the pressure is reading 20 in the low in the white, which means it needs a charge. So what we have here is the R134A with stop leak. You want to shake this real well, and then we're going to screw it on and put it in. Give it about a 10 or 15 second blast. See if we can get that level back up into the green. Again, up, straight up and down. Give it about a 15-second squeeze. Put the coolant in here into the low pressure side. And keep moving the can around a little bit as I'm doing that. You can feel that can is cold now. That's what the air conditioner is going to do, is take the high pressure gas, run it through the expansion valve, and when it gets at low pressure through that little orifice, that's where you get the cooling from to keep the car cool. So we're still down in the white. I'm going to use the rest of this can. So we're done filling. It's in the green now, and it'll cycle. That's the compressor turning on and off. You can hear it there. So we got it from about 15 up to about 30. Let's go check in the car. Alright, so it turned the air back down. It's now blowing out a little cooler. So we'll call that a success, and we'll check the coolant level again in a couple weeks, see if it's still cool, and if we need another can to keep adding to it.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to get more 3LD content.